So we have created this animation. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so we have created this particular animation using GSAP timeline earlier. Now what I will do is that, so this animation was created when let me go to the code. We created a group of circles, and we created a group of lines, and we gave the initial lines x and y values initially of the line, initial point, starting point of the ending point of the lines, as well as for the circles, the center where it be positioned, and then the the radius of this, right? Then we connected it together, and then using SVG we created this, and using timeline we have created this animation over here. Okay, like this we have done to create this excellent animation over here, right? Now what we'll do is that there are certain basically the property that is there over here, the timeline properties, that we can change, and we can change the animation basically. Okay, so based on the positioning of the animation can be changed in a timeline based on the position parameters. Basically the position parameter is nothing but this is the position parameter. If I just change the values over here, the animation position will change, and we will learn over here. Okay, now if you see here, first of all, this is called the absolute time. So if I just give absolute time, then what will happen is, so let me give some absolute timing over here. So let me go to the script.js file here, and then let's, instead of less than 0.5, I'll just keep 0.25, some absolute time 0.25 seconds. So in that case, what will happen, I'll just show you. When we give absolute time, what will happen is the particular twin, this particular twin, each is a twin, right? The particular twin will happen only for 0.25 seconds, and this is the absolute value. Okay, let's save over here, and let's see what will happen. Okay, so basically it will be like this. Okay, so why it is happening like this? Because we are saying that every ball will move from the start to the end point for 0.25 seconds. So every ball is moving at the same time. Okay, that's the reason it is the animation just changed. Okay, now if I just write, so if you go over here, there are so many other values. So for example, instead of absolute, if I give some relative values, so relative value if I give, now you'll see I'll just write here plus equals to 0.5. The meaning of this is, okay, let me copy this everywhere. The meaning of this is, let me copy, then I'll tell, okay, plus equals to plus equals to plus equals to this. That means that, so after one twin ends, you add 0.25 seconds after every twin. That means each ball will move from start to end. After 0.25 seconds, the other ball. After 0.25 seconds of that, another ball. So second will be 0.25. That means every ball has a delay of 0.25 seconds, right? Now when I say over here, what will happen is it will create, okay, let me save over here and you'll see. So this took some time, then the next ball after 0.25 seconds, then next ball after its 0.25 seconds. So the previous twin, when it ends, after that 0.25 seconds, this particular ball is moving from the first to the end tag. Now it is giving a kind of two balls now moving together in an anti-clockwise fashion, right? So instead of plus, if I just write here minus, then what will happen? It will same, but it will become clockwise. Okay, that's the only difference. Okay, so you have to know these are the relative values. Absolute value is without giving any addition, subtraction, whatever, you are not doing it. But so now if you see here, I've given minus here, so it will, instead of going anti-clockwise, it will go clockwise, the same thing. Okay, so it is moving clockwise right now. Let the last ball happen, then you'll see that, okay, you see it is moving clockwise. Two balls moving clockwise is what the animation is all about. Now there is something else also. Let me go to the documentation over here also. So there will be some label will come later, but here if you see here, if I just give relative to the start of the most later, okay, so here it is saying that the most recently added animations or twins 1 second or 0.25 seconds relative to it. Okay, then how it will behave? So it is similar like plus equals to or minus equals to. Only thing is that you have to just give a less than or greater than symbol. So less than is less than before it ends, you are starting basically the other animation. The next animation is what it is trying to say. In that case, what will happen? I'll just show you. Okay, or after the animation, after the twinning animation ends, if for greater than symbol, what will happen? Right, that means before one animation ends, you are doing something, right? Let's save over here, let's go over here and see. Okay, So you see, nothing, what is happening is it is the ball is going from left to right, okay, but before the other animation ends, I'm starting. That's the reason it is giving a anti-clockwise manner it is moving. Okay, similarly greater than, if I give, it will move in the clockwise direction, which means that using the position parameters you can change the animation very nicely. Okay, that is what the power of timeline is. And so this will not be available if you use normal twin, right? The position parameter will not be available. Only when you use timeline, then it will be available. Okay, we like this video, and in the next video what we will do is that we will let me show you what we will be doing is the animation control methods are there, right? There are a lot of animation control methods related to the timeline itself. So for play, when I click on play, it will play. Here I'm not able to play or start or stop or anything, right? But these all we can do it using the motion path plugin. We'll do it. Hope you like this video, and let's move to the next video.